Hey everyone, this is Imagine Wealth, and welcome to our weekly market recap. We got some big news this time. Well, this week was actually came through a bunch of earning reports, but the main thing that we have to consider was actually the Federal Reserve raised the target for the Fed funds rate by at least 0.75% this past May. Now, we don't know what's going to be the second, but this was the second consecutive rate hike and one of the biggest raise in borrowing costs since 2000. Well, the main reason for this was the purpose to actually tackle inflation. And the main point for this is to actually restabilize the market, especially after what happened or what's still happening in Ukraine. Now, because of this, it actually looks like it's the beginning of a recession. This first quarter was actually one of the worst GDP reports. This time, it's actually, instead of, the economy said that we were going to earn a bit more, at least 1.1% that we're going to increase. But this report for the GDP in the United States, it actually came down as minus 0.14%. So it's really bad. Now, because of this, the market is in a bearish movement. With the last earnings reports, it was 13.3%, negative 13.3%. So we're over a 10% in the negative growth. So it's a bearish market, and it's going to be a bearish market until the second quarter, which ends around June. That's when we actually get the second report. Now, if that report is a negative GDP report, then we're definitely going to be in a recession. Now, since all the earnings for this week were also negative, it's definitely going to affect the market for this next week as well. And even crypto is going to affect it. Bitcoin is down to 39,000. Ethereum is down to, I believe, 28 or 29. Oh, no, my mistake. It's actually down to 2,600. That's actually pretty low. So for all those traders out there, you're going to see those red profiles, negative profiles. It's just going to be, we're officially in the bearish market. Just keep an eye on that. And to finish it off with the market news, the US inflation climbed to 8.5% in March, the highest rate since 1981. Now we're going to go over some crypto news. Dogecoin founder actually says Doge Ethereum bridge will boost token equality, so they're working on that. Now another thing, also some Gucci stores are beginning to accept Bitcoin, so that's actually pretty big. And also one thing, the market is actually doing bad when you see that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency are performing better, and is the best performing holding of 2022. Now, this was Imagine Wealth, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.